place is amazing, and I don't even play with Legos. It's so cool. We are at the Dulles Expo Center.
And we're here for the BrickFair Lego Fan Expo.
Let's see some Legos.
BrickFair is a Lego convention and exhibition held each year. It was first held in 2008 at Tyson's Corner, Virginia, but is now held at the Dulles Expo Center in Chantilly, Virginia. BrickFair was moved to the Dulles Expo Center in 2010 to make more room. It now spans over 100,000 square feet.
BrickFair is sectioned off into different categories: castles, Star Wars, Bionicles, dinosaurs, military, watercrafts, pop culture, historical, and town and street. For the sake of time and for our own sanity, we're going to highlight just a few areas such as the castles, Star Wars, pop culture, historical, and town and street sections. Let's start with the castles. We got to talk to the builder of this amazing castle. She said it took her about 3 months to create, finishing it over the course of a summer. She worked on it all by herself. This was our favorite castle. It's called Hammerstone Keep and was created by Richard Salah of Maryland. Richard has been adding on to his castle for 6 years, and the attention to detail is phenomenal. It depicts life inside and outside of a medieval castle. We met Richard's dad, who explained that they tried to be as historically accurate as possible. The walls are made of stone, and they even included the interworkings of the castle's drawbridge.
We've reached the Star Wars section.
This was a recreation of the planet Mustafar from Star Wars. The builder even got into the spirit and was dressed as an Imperial officer. This massive structure is only 30% of their full display of Star Killer base.
They had a section where you could get a little Lego statue with your name on it. Of course, Corey couldn't resist and got one of his own.
They had this huge Lego display on the floor that people could contribute to. You just grab a template of a section from the overall design and add the corresponding bricks. When you're done, you hand it to the attendant and they put your completed section where it belongs, kind of like a puzzle.
Now this is cool. An artist named Chuck Vigiani from Washington, D.C. created a replica of Union Station. I love this piece because it not only shows the facade of Union Station, but it also shows the actual train station. There were also some local sculptures such as Mount Vernon in Alexandria, Virginia, and Cornerstone Chapel in Leesburg, Virginia.
There are other things to do at BrickFair other than looking at Lego displays. There's also carnival games, various vendors, Lego car racing, a reading nook, bingo, and mini golf. They also have a huge wall where kids can create their own Lego designs and add it to the wall.
We are so glad we went to that. I'm not a Lego person, but I was really pleasantly surprised. There are 2 different tickets that you could get for this event. You could buy the full day ticket, or you could buy the Sunday afternoon ticket, which is what we did. So it was only 3 hours, but we think that was a sweet spot. I mean, we got to see a lot in 3 hours, but if you really want to take your time and look at everything in detail, you cannot do that in 3 hours. We had no idea how expansive this place was. It was really cool.
Yeah, there really is something for everyone here. Like, they got all types of pulp culture covered. They really have something that anyone would be interested in, I think. And they also have a lot of Legos you can buy, like if you just want to buy whole sets or little minifigs. Yeah, they hand out these trophies to the best creations that they like, and these are pretty much a little mini version of those trophies they give out. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Definitely recommend it, even if you're not a big Lego person like me.
I will say, I feel like that was the fastest 3 hours I've ever spent in my life. Like, time flew by so fast in there because there's just so much to look at. It's kind of overwhelming because there's just so many colors and so many things you want to see and take in. It's wild, but this was definitely worth the $8 ticket.
Yeah. Well, we hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you can come here yourself one day. Thanks for watching.
Bye.